Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your cooking game, the CAROTE 31-piece pots and pans set. This isn't just a collection of cookware, it's a comprehensive system designed for both the novice and the seasoned chef, boasting a non-stick granite finish and an impressive array of accessories. Let's break down what makes this set stand out. First, let's talk about what you actually get in this massive 31-piece bundle. It's a treasure trove for any kitchen. You're looking at 3 fry pans in 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch sizes, perfect for everything from searing a steak to scrambling eggs. Then there are saucepans, a 2-quart and a 3-quart, both with lids, ideal for sauces, grains, or simmering. For larger batches, you get a 4-quart stockpot and a 6-quart stockpot, also with lids. A 4.5-quart sauté pan with a lid is also included, offering versatility for braising and stir-frying. Beyond the pots and pans themselves, the set comes with a dedicated egg pan, which is a nice touch for quick breakfasts. But the real value here lies in the included utensils: a ladle, a fish turner, a solid turner, a spatula, and a whisk. To keep your cookware pristine, 9 pan protectors are provided, preventing scratches when stacked. And finally, a convenient container is also part of the package, adding to the organized storage. It's a truly complete kitchen setup. Underneath that sleek granite exterior lies a reinforced die-cast aluminum construction. This is crucial for a couple of reasons. Firstly, it ensures long-term durability. We've all had cookware that warps or loses its integrity after a few uses, and the die-cast aluminum aims to prevent that. Secondly, despite the robust construction, the set remains surprisingly lightweight. This makes maneuvering pots and pans on and off the stove, or even just holding them while you stir, a much more comfortable experience. Convenience is clearly a design priority here. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the non-stick granite material. CAROTE claims a 10x Ultra non-stick performance, and this is where the real magic happens in your daily cooking. The granite coating is not just about preventing food from sticking, although it excels at that. It's also about making your cooking safer and healthier. This is especially important as it's PFOA-free, meaning you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your food. From delicate fish to sticky sauces, food should glide off effortlessly, making for a much more enjoyable cooking process and significantly easier cleanup. Speaking of cleanup, the recommendation is to hand wash these pots and pans, and honestly, this is standard for high-quality non-stick cookware. The good news is that hand washing is truly effortless with this set. A simple wipe with a paper towel or a quick rinse under water is often all it takes. The ultra non-stick surface means you won't be scrubbing away stubborn burnt-on food, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. A critical aspect of any good cookware is how it performs on the stovetop. The CAROTE set is designed to heat up quickly and evenly. This is achieved through an extended bottom design, which is compatible with all cooktops, including induction. Consistent and even heat distribution is key to preventing hot spots and ensuring your food cooks uniformly, whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or searing a piece of meat. Finally, let's touch on customer support and warranty. CAROTE offers a 12-month warranty from the date of purchase. This provides a good layer of reassurance. If you encounter any quality issues, they encourage you to reach out, promising a satisfying solution. This commitment to customer service is a positive aspect for any buyer. So, what are the pros and cons of this extensive CAROTE set? On the pro side, the sheer number of pieces and accessories included is outstanding value. The granite non-stick coating is reported to be very effective, and the PFOA-free composition adds to the health and safety aspect. The die-cast aluminum construction offers durability, and the induction-compatible base makes it versatile for most kitchens. The lightweight design is also a big plus for everyday use. For cons, while the 31 pieces offer a lot, it might be overwhelming for someone with a very small kitchen or minimal cooking needs. The hand wash recommendation, while standard for non-stick, is still a con for those who prefer the convenience of a dishwasher. And as with any non-stick cookware, long-term durability of the coating, while claimed to be excellent, will ultimately depend on proper care and usage. In conclusion, the CAROTE 31-piece pots and pans set is an incredibly comprehensive and seemingly high-value offering for anyone looking to outfit their kitchen. It covers all the bases, from everyday frying to simmering and sautéing, and the inclusion of so many utensils and storage aids makes it an all-in-one solution. If you're in the market for a new cookware set that prioritizes non-stick performance, health, and a wide range of functionality, this CAROTE set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.